Hi friends, welcome to Entertainment Platform of Interest. Today I'm going to share the simplest way to put basic knot using plastic wire. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe and follow our channel for more awesome craft tutorials. Make sure you subscribe. Let's start. Take two wires, fold it, find the midpoint, keep it like this. Turn the rough space upward. Now insert the rough space like this. Tie the knot like this. Follow the same procedure. Thank you for watching. Share, like, comment and subscribe our channel for more videos.